everyone, welcome back to the Gator Metal YouTube channel. I am your host, Nicole, where we talk and bring you all things metal roofing, like colors, installations, inspections, and of course, our impressive lifetime warranty. We love getting to meet all of our awesome homeowners from across the Carolinas. And today we are here in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I am here with Matt. Matt, how are you doing today?
Good.
Good. How long have you lived in your house here?
About 25 years.
25 years, and have you owned it the entire time, rented it, then owned it?
Rented and then owned.
Since you own this house, what kind of made you interested in possibly upgrading to a metal roof in the first place?
I just didn't want to keep dealing with it every 10 years.
Yeah.
I wanted something that would just be on there and be done.
Do you remember what the previous condition of your shingles were? Were they like a lot of wear and tear?
Yeah,
were they falling off?
Not great. They've been through a couple of hurricanes and
yeah,
had roofers come by like every other week.
And being here in Wilmington, you guys are obviously got to just assume hurricanes are going to always happen every single year. Were you always kind of picking up shingles in your yard, things like that?
Yeah.
How did you first hear about Gator metal roofing in the first place?
I knew I wanted metal, so I just started doing research. Liked all their information better than the comparison. So.
What first got you interested in metal, or how did you hear about metal roofing in the first place?
There's a lot of metal roofs up where I came from. They just hold up better. They're just better.
Before coming here, I honestly didn't even know that, which speaking to more homeowners like you who are from the north and then you end up coming down here to the south, that is something that I hear more and more, is that metal roofing is a little bit more common up there, probably because of the snow and stuff.
Oh yeah.
When did you know I'm sick of the shingles, I need to go ahead and just upgrade?
I started getting leaks after one of the hurricanes, so I knew like the clock was ticking, like I had to get something done.
Yeah.
And I don't like doing half measures, so I just did it. Do
you remember from beginning to end, from reaching out to us to inspection to install, how long did it take overall for you to get your roof installed?
About a month, but mine was complicated.
Okay.
They had to do a couple different orders. In actuality, probably about 2 weeks.
Okay. How was it working with our team from beginning to end? Do you remember what the installation crews were like, or just working with our team?
Oh, it was good.
Good. And after all the colors, I love the color you picked. I feel like it's Wilmington through and through, and it matches the look of your house overall. What made you guys decide on going with the Hawaiian blue color?
We had talked about doing like a blue-gray combination. I've always kind of had a blue and gray thing, being half northern, half southern.
Yeah.
So we saw the color and usually that was the one. And then the paint followed.
Yeah.
A couple weeks after we got the roof done, we had it painted.
And you said you and your wife kind of both picked out this color, so it just seems like it was kind of meant to be.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And then after getting your roof installed, have you noticed kind of a drop in your energy bills, or have you noticed it being cooler inside?
It's definitely cooler. Minor difference in electrical bill, but our attic fan we didn't know wasn't working, so it was just kind of sitting in there. So once we got that put in last year, like it dropped off quite a bit.
Good, good. And then another common question we get, or I guess a common misconception, is a lot of people think that metal roofing, when you get a metal roof installed, when storms come through, it's exceptionally loud. Would you say that that's the case, or?
No, I don't hear anything.
Yeah.
I have to go out in the garage to hear any of the rain on it.
Yeah.
Because it's so well insulated in the house with it being brick, that you don't hear anything.
Awesome. Do you have any advice for a homeowner watching this, or maybe someone who's kind of contemplating on whether they should upgrade or not, and what would you tell them?
It's definitely worth it. I don't worry about anything, so I would definitely recommend it.
Yeah. Not only you get the peace of mind, but you get our lifetime warranty, and it's transferable, so if you were to sell your house or whatever the case is, it's going to follow with you. Awesome. Well, Matt, thank you so much for joining us today. It's always a pleasure meeting you guys and coming to see your houses. Y'all, make sure you like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below if you have any questions about metal roofing or for us here at Gator Metal Roofing. But make sure you subscribe, and we will see you here next time.